Hello everyone. Today, we will practice the word aim. Let's practice with me. Aim. My aim. My aim island. My aim is clear. What is your aim? Our aim is success. The aim of the project. The aim of the project island. The aim of the project is growth. I aim to improve. I aim to improve skills. She aims to lead. He aims to succeed. We aim for quality. They aim for results. Aim high every day. Set your aim clearly. Focus on your aim. Keep your aim in mind. Aim to finish tasks. Aim to meet deadlines. Aim to improve communication. Aim to build teamwork. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.